Namaskar, hello, Kem Cho. I have just completed building a new computer software called Morpher. Let's translate and decided to make a video just for fun. I have made this software to help translate language and currencies from one form to another. I have done programming using Python 3 and used tkinter for GUI. Let's jump to the language conversion part of this project. So the screen is for language conversion. Let's enter a sentence in the English language. So I have entered a sentence in English language. So here we need to select the language in which we need to translate it. So here are the list of languages in which we can translate. So first of all, let's see in Gujarati how the language gets translated. So here you can see that the translation is done in Gujarati. You can verify it. Also we can hear the translation.
બધાને નમસ્તે, હું કમ્પ્યુટર એન્જિનિયર છું અને મને મુસાફરી અને કોડિંગ ગમે છે.
So here you can see that the translation was very accurate. We can also look for other language like we can go for German. Let's translate it in German. And let's hear it what it actually sounds like.
Hallo allerseits, ich bin Computeringenieur und liebe es zu reisen und zu programmieren.
Yeah, so you can see that this is working properly. Now this is the one part of project. I have also added a feature for currency conversion. So here we can enter the amount like 100 and we need to select the currency from which form we need to convert it. So let's select INR to USD. Okay. Here you can see that we have done the conversion. Yeah, the result is rounded off to 2 decimal places. We can also check for other currencies as well, like euros to Canadian dollar maybe. Yeah, so we can change the amount here like 70 and then convert it. Yeah, that's it. So this is how it works, and hope so you like this project. I have done this for fun. Thank you. Have a nice day.